Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to animate lines in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So before we get started, it is very important that if you want complex movements for your lines, you cannot do it here in Premiere. You must do it in After Effects. We're just going to go and do some simple animations right here with the lines. So to create the lines, we're going to go and need the Essential Graphics tab first. So to get this, you need to go here into Windows and check the Essential Graphics right here. Make sure that it's checked so that you can see it in your workspace. And once you have it in your workspace, you're gonna go into Essential Graphics, go into Edit, and then click this icon right here. And then click on Rectangle since we're gonna be creating a line. So we're gonna go and mold this into a line right here. And I'm just gonna make this smaller or thinner right here, just like so. And remember that you can always zoom in if you find it really small already and you find it hard to make it smaller. Then you can just go and zoom in so that you can edit it better. And then once you're satisfied with that, then now let's align this to the middle by clicking here. Now it's in the middle. So now we can animate this one actually already. So you can go into the, select your line first in your timeline, go into Effect Controls and go into Scale and uncheck the Uniform Scale. And from here, we can animate the scale width. So let's say we want it to be at the beginning, we want it to be at a value of 0, the scale width. So we're going to add a keyframe at the beginning. And let's say at this point of time of the footage, we're going to go and make it maybe 100 right there. 100. Let's go for 100 right there. So now we now have these two keyframes right here. So when we play it, it would now look like this. And now we can make it smoother by selecting all of these keyframes right here and right clicking and then going for ease out. And then you can go and see the difference right here. It's much smoother, and you can always choose other interpolations right here if you'd want to. And now we're done with that. Then you can also do other animations. So for example, you have your video transitions right here. You have your wipe. You can also apply this to your line. So let's just undo this effect right there. So you can also do a wipe right here. So when we do a wipe, it would look like this. As you can see, it's now like that. That is very easy. Instead of doing it crop, then you can just do the transitions right here. So you can just choose various video transitions right here that you can apply to your line. So it's just based on your preference. So that is basically it on how you can animate lines on Premiere Pro. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.